So back here today, it's a little breezy out here. Can't really tell, but it is. I guess you can tell a little. So yesterday I glassed over this area and this area, and a little bit of that area up there. And today I'm going to basically skim over this with a grinder, just level it up, smooth it out. And I've got to cap a couple inches of this with more fiber on the toe rail. This will be all set. And then I've got that small repair on the other side here. That, thank God, dried up. I used a little filler on that yesterday and ground it off. I gotta touch that up one more time with a sander or grinder, and then lay some fiber into that to seal that up nice. And then I am moving on to laying that final layer of cloth over this whole deck. Just kind of seal it up and a little bit of finish filler. That's what we are doing today.